A very different weekend on the way compared to the holiday weekend, as we are expecting warmer temperatures and humidity to be in place. The last of the showers withering away first thing this morning, clouds giving way to partial sunshine and the chance of a passing thunder shower heading into the afternoon. Temperatures today going anywhere from near 76 right at the coastline to some lower 80s in inland sections. This will be with the clouds giving way to partial sunshine and a light breeze out of the west and southwest headed into the afternoon. As you will notice on Futurecast, we are not expecting enormous coverage of any sort of thunder shower chances this afternoon, but they will be out there in places with temperatures between 75 and 80 and dew points right around 60. Eventually later on this evening, skies will go partly cloudy, and that will set temperatures back into the 50s to lower 60s by early tomorrow morning. From there, southwest wind will continue to feed in more humidity from the Midwest on Saturday. Temperatures will be up into the 80s statewide. Best chance of a couple of passing showers or storms will be in the North Country late in the day and into Saturday evening. As a matter of fact, a couple of those could be strong with gusty winds as well. Eventually setting up sunny and hot conditions on Sunday. Our first chance to reach 90 in some southern locations in this stretch, although we'll be in the 80s elsewhere. And it looks like low and mid 90s for highs both Monday and Tuesday before the next front gets here on Wednesday to start cooling us off. 75 at the coastline, 80 to 82 inland. Warm afternoon with some humidity in the air and early clouds giving way to some sunshine with that small chance of a passing thunder shower. We'll drop back into the 50s to lower 60s under fair skies tonight, and it looks like we'll be in the 80s just about statewide for the day on Saturday. 80s to up to near 90 degrees with the humidity in place Sunday. The hottest of the days look to be Monday and Tuesday before the chance of storms Wednesday.